Students, till now in cooperative society, we have completed with the meaning and characteristics of cooperative society. Today we are going to understand the topic kinds or types of cooperative society. As you can see on board, there are total 6 kind of cooperative societies. We are going to understand each and every kind in detailed manner. Now coming to the first one, that is consumer cooperative society. Now such society is formed for the protection of interest of consumers, or we can say for the promotion of economic interest of the consumers by providing quality goods at reasonable prices with the help of large purchases or bulk buying, or by just eliminating middlemen from the chain. Now, what can be the examples of consumer cooperative society? Apna Bazaar, Super Bazaar, कंज्यूमर कोऑपरेटिव स्टोर्स जिन्हें हम कहते हैं सहकारी उपभोक्ता भंडार, these all are coming under the category of consumer cooperative stores. Coming to the next one, producers cooperative society. Now producers cooperative societies are being formed to provide raw material, machines, equipments to that of small producers so that they can togetherly produce and sell the goods on a large scale. What can be the examples of producers cooperative society? There can be the dairy producers, or we can say artisans, weavers, who are just doing the things in a together manner, and these societies provide them with the necessary raw material, machines and equipments so that they can engage themselves in the large scale production in a together manner and just at a cheaper rate. Coming to the next one, marketing cooperative societies. We know that small producers do not find place in the market, but these cooperative societies help these small producers in just selling their products in the market. Now, all the things necessary for marketing of product such as transportation, warehousing, promotion of goods and services is also being undertaken by such marketing cooperative societies. Example is just milk cooperatives in Gujarat. Coming to the next one, Farmers Cooperative Society. Now, these societies are being formed to help small farmers in order to enjoy the benefits of large scale farming and more productivity. These particular societies are providing HYV seeds, or we can say better quality seeds, manures, fertilizers, other modern equipments like tractors to that of small farmers in order to just promote large scale farming and to enjoy a better productivity. What can be the examples of Farmers Cooperative Society? IFCO, that is Indian Farmers Fertilizers Cooperative Limited. Okay. Coming to the next one, that is Credit Cooperative Societies. Now, under credit cooperative societies, or we can say these societies are accepting deposits from their members and lending them in the form of loan to their own members at a lower interest rate than what is being charged by the bank. This is the purpose of credit cooperative society. One of the example which is already a failure in our Udaipur, that is Adarsh Credit Cooperative Society. Now how these societies are working? They are accepting the deposits from their members only, and whenever any of the member require loan, they provide the loan to their members at a lower interest rate than what is being charged by a bank. But there are certain cooperative societies which are very successful, like Samriddhi Cooperative Society. These are all famous societies which are being popular in the other cities. Coming to the next one, that is cooperative housing societies. Now, these housing societies are providing the residential plots, flats or residential houses to their members at a very cheaper rate than what is being available in the market, and they have to pay, or members have to pay the cost of that particular flat or residential plots or houses in installments. So examples can be your Mangalam Residency, or we can say another one, that is RSG The Universe at Girja Vyas near petrol pump. These all are coming under the case of cooperative housing society. So here we have completed the meaning of each and every kind of cooperative society with its example. In the next video we are going to just do merits and demerits of cooperative society. Thank you.